Have you ever wondered why some people feel tired all the time, even if they sleep well? Why digestion suddenly becomes slow? Why the skin starts looking dull? Or why belly fat becomes harder to lose, even when you're eating less? Most people blame age, stress, or lifestyle, but the real reason may be hidden inside the body, silently working 24/7 without taking a break. Your liver? Imagine this. Right now, as you watch this video, over 500 different processes are happening inside your liver. Every sip of water, every bite of food, every medicine, every toxin, every chemical, everything passes through this one organ. But here is something shocking. Your liver can stay overloaded for years without showing a single clear symptom. And when signs finally appear, the damage is already in progress. The good news? Your liver has the most powerful healing ability in your entire body, but only if you support it the right way. In this video, you'll discover science-backed natural methods to detox, repair, and energize your liver. Methods proven in global nutrition and health journals, and easy enough for anyone to start today. What does the liver actually do? To detox your liver, you must first understand what it does. The liver performs over 500 crucial functions, many of which we don't even realize. Number 1, filters toxins from your blood. Whether it's preservatives from packaged food, chemicals from cosmetics, pesticides from vegetables, or pollutants in the air, your liver traps them, breaks them down, and removes them. Number 2, metabolizes medicines. Every painkiller, antibiotic, paracetamol tablet, and supplement is processed by the liver. Excessive or unnecessary medicines increase the liver's workload. Number 3, produces bile for digestion. Bile helps digest fats, absorb fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, and keep your gut healthy. Number 4, maintains blood sugar balance. The liver stores extra glucose and releases it when your body needs energy. Number 5, stores essential nutrients. Vitamin B12, copper, iron, folate, and glycogen are stored in the liver. Number 6, regulates hormones. Hormonal imbalance, weight gain, fatigue, and skin dullness often start with poor liver function. Number 7, removes old or damaged blood cells. Your liver also protects you from infections by filtering bacteria and toxins. Because of these massive responsibilities, the liver gets tired and overloaded when exposed to unhealthy lifestyle habits. That's why natural detoxification is essential, not only for liver health but for overall well-being. Best natural ways to detox your liver. Here are the most effective, research-supported natural methods to detox your liver safely. 1 warm water with lemon, morning detox booster. Start your day with warm lemon water. This simple habit can support your liver in multiple ways. Lemon contains vitamin C, which boosts liver enzymes. Its antioxidants support natural detox pathways. Warm water stimulates metabolism and improves bile flow. Helps remove toxins more efficiently. How to take half a lemon squeezed into warm water. Drink on an empty stomach daily. Add a pinch of turmeric for extra antioxidant support. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that citrus bioflavonoids help reduce inflammation and protect liver cells from toxin-induced damage. Make this a daily habit and your liver will thank you. 2, drink more water to flush out toxins. Your liver detoxifies your blood, but water helps flush those toxins out. If you don't drink enough water, toxins remain in your system longer, causing liver stress. Proper hydration helps. Improve blood flow to the liver. Remove waste through urine. Support kidney-liver detox partnership. Maintain electrolyte balance. Reduce bloating and acidity. Recommended intake: 2.5 to 3 liters daily. Add mint, lemon, or cucumber. Sip throughout the day. When your body is hydrated, the liver detoxifies more smoothly and efficiently. 3, eat liver-cleansing foods daily. Your diet is the most powerful tool for natural liver detox. Here are the top foods scientifically proven to clean and support your liver. Number 1, garlic. Contains sulfur compounds like allicin and selenium that activate liver enzymes. Studies in the Advanced Biomedical Research Journal show garlic reduces liver fat and inflammation. Number 2. Broccoli and cauliflower, cruciferous vegetables. They stimulate phase 2 detox enzymes, helping the liver neutralize toxins efficiently. Published research in hepatology confirms cruciferous vegetables protect against liver damage. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Orange, lemon, and grapefruit increase detoxification capacity. Number 4. Green tea. Rich in EGCG, a powerful antioxidant proven to reduce liver fat and improve ALT/AST enzyme levels. International Journal of Molecular Medicine supports these results. Number 5. Turmeric and curcumin. Curcumin reduces inflammation and promotes liver cell regeneration. Clinical Nutrition Journal shows noticeable improvement in liver enzyme levels. Number 6. Blueberries and cranberries. Packed with anthocyanins that protect liver tissues from oxidative stress. Number 7. Beetroot. Improves bile flow and reduces inflammation. Helps in cleansing the digestive tract, indirectly reducing liver burden. Number 8. Avocado. Boosts glutathione, the master antioxidant required by the liver for detoxification. Number 9. Carrots. High in beta-carotene, which supports liver healing. Number 10. Whole grains. Reduce insulin spikes, preventing fatty liver. Include at least 3 to 4 of these foods daily for natural liver detoxification. Avoid foods that damage the liver. To detox your liver, you must also stop the things that damage it. Fried foods create inflammation. High-sugar foods increase liver fat. Soft drinks contain liver-damaging fructose. Excess salt causes water retention and burden. Processed foods full of preservatives. Alcohol causes fatty liver, cirrhosis. Refined oils slow liver digestion. Red meat in excess increases uric acid. Studies in the World Journal of Gastroenterology show sugar increases liver fat by 27% in just 3 weeks. Avoiding these foods is more important than adding detox foods. 5 herbs scientifically proven for liver detox. Milk thistle, silymarin. Milk thistle is the world's most researched liver herb. Benefits: repairs damaged liver cells, reduces inflammation. Strong antioxidant activity. Helps in fatty liver and high ALT/AST levels. Phytotherapy Research Journal shows silymarin improves liver function in chronic patients. Dosage: 150-300 mg a day. Consult doctor if needed. Nettle leaf tea, a powerful detox herb. Benefits: reduces oxidative stress, supports enzymes involved in detoxification, improves liver tissue health. The Journal of Food Science and Nutrition confirms its antioxidant effect. How to take: 1 teaspoon dried leaves. Boil 5-7 minutes. Drink once daily. Dandelion root tea. This herb boosts bile production, helping the liver break down fats and remove toxins. Studies in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine show that dandelion improves liver inflammation and enhances overall detoxification. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Loaded with vitamin C. Benefits: supports detox enzymes, reduces toxin buildup, improves liver enzyme levels. A study in Food and Function Journal shows amla helps repair liver tissue. Ginger. Anti-inflammatory, increases metabolism, improves digestion, indirectly reducing liver load. Sleep well. Natural nighttime liver detox. Your liver performs its deepest cleansing and regeneration when you sleep. The Journal of Biological Rhythms confirms that liver detox peaks between 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. If you stay awake late, eat late, or sleep less, the liver cannot complete its nighttime detox cycle. Sleep 7-8 hours. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Eat dinner at least 2 hours before sleep. Sleep before 11 p.m. Good sleep, sheer natural detox. 7. Reduce stress. Emotional detox for the liver. Stress directly affects the liver by increasing cortisol and inflammatory chemicals. High stress slows digestion, causes acidity, and increases toxin production. Traditional Chinese medicine links the liver with emotional balance anger, irritability, and stress weaken it. To support your liver, deep breathing, 10 minutes. Meditation. Nature walk. Sunlight exposure in morning. Yoga, stretching. Relaxed mind, healthy liver. 8. Keep moving. Exercise helps the liver. Movement improves blood circulation, reduces liver fat, and helps clear toxins. JAMA Internal Medicine states that 150 minutes of weekly physical activity reduces fatty liver by up to 20%. Brisk walking, yoga, cycling, swimming. Strength training. Exercise boosts metabolism, reduces inflammation, and supports liver regeneration. 9. Maintain healthy weight. Excess belly fat is one of the biggest risk factors for fatty liver. Studies in hepatology research show that losing even 5 to 7% body weight significantly improves liver enzyme levels. Avoid sugary drinks. Reduce refined carbs. Increase vegetables. Walk daily. Healthy weight, yes, healthy liver. 10. Limit medicines when possible. Every medicine, painkiller, antibiotic, antacid, must be processed by the liver. Overuse burdens the liver and slows detox. Always take medicines only when prescribed by a doctor. Avoid unnecessary self-medication. Daily liver detox routine. Here is a practical, easy-to-follow daily liver detox routine. Morning routine. Warm lemon water. 10 minutes meditation. Light stretching. Amla juice or 3 soaked raisins water. Breakfast. Take light breakfast like oats porridge. Add fruits like orange or papaya. 1 cup green tea. Lunch. 50% vegetables, broccoli, beans, spinach. 25% whole grains, rice, roti, millets. 25% protein, dal, egg, fish. Add turmeric to food. Evening. Nettle tea or dandelion root tea. Handful nuts, walnuts, almonds. Dinner. Light meals, soup, mixed vegetables, rice, and dal. Avoid fried and sugary foods. Stop eating 2 hours before sleep. Night routine. Sleep before 11 p.m. No heavy snacks. Practice deep breathing to unwind. Follow this for 21 days and your liver will feel lighter, healthier, and more energetic. Your liver is your internal detox factory. You don't need extreme diets or expensive products. Real detox happens through consistent habits. Healthy food, herbs, hydration, sleep, exercise, and stress management. When you support your liver daily, it becomes stronger, more efficient, and more capable of protecting you from diseases. You will experience better digestion, glowing skin, stable hormones, weight balance, and improved energy. Start today. Choose natural habits. Your liver will heal, detoxify, and restore your health from the inside out.